Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever plugged in your USB drive and your computer detects it, but it just doesn't show up in File Explorer? It's honestly frustrating, especially when you need your files urgently. But don't worry, in this video I will guide you through some simple and effective methods to fix this issue step by step. Just follow along carefully, and one of these solutions will definitely work for you. So let's get started. First, connect your USB drive to your computer. Now right click on the Windows icon and go to Device Manager. Once it opens, double click on Disk Drives. If your USB drive is listed here, just right click on it and click on Update Driver. After that, choose the second option. Browse my computer for drivers. Then click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your USB drive and click Next. Once the process is complete, safely eject your USB drive and plug it back in. Now check if it appears in File Explorer. If it's still not fixed, don't worry, we will try another approach. Go back to Device Manager again. Now right click on your USB drive. And this time click on Uninstall Device. Click Uninstall, which will remove the driver completely. Now eject your USB and plug it back in again. Sometimes Windows automatically reinstall the driver and fixes the issue. Now let's try another method using PowerShell. First, connect your USB drive. Then click on the Windows icon and open PowerShell. Now right click on it and select Run as Administrator. Once it opens, carefully type this command: msdt.exe space -id space device diagnostic. Make sure there is no space between device and diagnostic. Then press enter. This will open a troubleshooting wizard that scans and fixes USB related issues automatically. If your system supports it, just follow the on-screen instructions. Now let's move to another important fix. So first, go to your File Explorer. Then right click on this PC. Now click on Show More Options. After that, click on Manage. This will open the Computer Management window. From here, click on Disk Management. Here you should see your USB drive. Right click on it and click on Change Drive Letter and Paths. If the option is available, assign a new drive letter that is not already in use. Sometimes a missing drive letter is the reason your USB doesn't appear. If that option is grayed out, you can use a free tool like EaseUS Partition Master. Install and open the software. go to Partition Manager. Then select your USB drive. Right click on it and then go to Partition Properties. After that, select Change Drive Later. Now pick a letter that is not already used. For example, G. Click OK and then click Execute Operation. And finally click on Apply. After that, your USB drive should appear in File Explorer. Now this method is very powerful, but please note it will erase all data from your USB drive. So only use this if your data is not important or already backed up. So first, connect your USB drive. Click on the Windows icon. Then type CMD. Now click on Run as Administrator. Now follow these commands step by step. First, type disk part and press enter. Next, type list disk. Now you will see all connected disks. Identify your USB drive carefully. For example, in my case, it is disk 2. Now type cell disk 2. Replace 2 with your USB disk number. Be very careful here. Next, type clean. After that, type create part primary. Next, type select part 1. Now we need to format this drive. So type format space fs equals FAT32 space quick. Now press enter and wait. This process may take some time. If you get an error like mine, then try formatting again using exFAT or NTFS instead. So type format space fs equals exFAT space quick. And press enter. Once done, you will see a success message. Finally, type exit and again press enter. Now close CMD. Eject your USB and reconnect it. Now check. Your USB drive should be visible. So yeah, that's how you can fix a USB drive that's not showing up on your Windows PC. Let me know in the comments which method worked for you. I would really love to hear that. So that's it for today. If this tutorial helped you, then don't forget to like and share the video. And if you are new here, then make sure to subscribe my channel. Your support really motivates me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.